Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are at the Brewery at Hershey. So come along with me and see what we can see. As of the time of this video, the hours of operation are 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Friday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Saturday, and 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Sunday. Now, as you can see, there is ample parking and even places for RVs through Harvest Host. Now, if you don't know what Harvest Host is, I'll try to find the link and put it in the description below. Walking past the winery, you go down the hill, and you'll see a sign to the brewery on the patio. There is more than ample seating on the patio. Since this brewery is also a winery, you have a beautiful view of the vineyards on the patio. And many times they have live entertainment, so check out the website for more information. As their website states, this is craft beer like you've never experienced before. And we have a special guest, Luann from Healthy Home Cooking. She's going to help us taste test. Okay, we're going to start from the lighter beer to the darker, more stout beer. We're going to start with the Wise Guy, which is, and we have a little cheat sheet we're going to read off of, a German style. Features banana and clove flavors from the yeast, and it is served cloudy and is the ultimate thirst quencher on hot days. All right, so here is the Wise Guy. Ooh, that's smooth. I like that.
But am I gonna like it?
I don't know.
I do.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that one beer that you drink with the lime. I think it's Corona.
Yes, a Corona. Yep. I like that. Okay. Next one up is the Summer Ale.
Right there.
There we go. The Summer Ale is called Got Your Six. And it is dry hopped with 6 hop blend and a hint of lemongrass. This light, refreshing ale will have your back all summer long. Okay. Oh, and a portion of sales from each pipe will go to the local heroes as they partner with CVMA to help support local veterans. Nice.
If we like that, then we can get some.
Absolutely, yes. Go ahead and try the Summer Ale, otherwise known as Got Your Six, which of course is a military term for those who don't know.
I think I like that one even better.
Ooh, me too. Yeah.
I mean, that one's good, but that one's better.
Absolutely. Okay.
Maybe I like light ones at this brewery.
Maybe. Let's see. And then the next one, I guess, Central Pale Ale. It is a refreshing American Pale Ale made with juicy hops and Pennsylvania grown and malted barley from Deer Creek Malt House. So local. Okay.
You want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go first on this one. Yep, you can definitely taste the barley in that. I mean, it's slight, but you can taste it.
I'm not sure which one I like better.
I know they are all so very good so far. And they said the next one.
I still think that one's my favorite.
Okay, the Summer Ale. All right, so Bock Breaker, B-O-C-K Breaker, which is also called the Male Bock, and it's a smooth, clean German-style lager with toasted malt flavors and mild hop aromas. Yeah, you can smell like a mild hop.
That I like better than this one. Maybe
that is
equal
good.
to that.
I would agree. Yes. Okay, now I'm not normally a dark beer connoisseur, but this is called Elevated Dream.
Right there.
Thank you. It's a coffee stout, and I really don't like coffee beers, but I'm going to give this a shot. It says our coffee stout is made in partnership with Elevate Nepal, featuring rich coffee notes with subtle toffee and vanilla flavors. Here, since this is your favorite.
It smells like coffee.
Oh, it does. You can kind of smell a
That's
little
really
toffee
good
too.
too.
Is it?
Yeah. It smells sweet.
You know what? I really do not like coffee.
But that's not bad,
But
is
this
it?
is not bad. Wow, this is nice. Okay. So that was the Elevated Dream. And again, we said the alcohol is 6.6%.
The Bach.
The Bach, okay, is 7.2%. The Central Pale Ale is 5.4%. And the
Wise Guy.
Wise Guy is 4.9%. That's the lowest. And I think is
What was the other one?
the Got Your Six Summer Ale,
Oh.
which is 6.0%, so 6%. Not bad at all. I think we might be coming back.
Oh,
What's your favorite?
Bach Breaker, I think.
Bach Breaker?
Bach Breaker, Wise Guy.
Yeah, I think
This is probably my least favorite, but
Okay.
I'll drink it because I know.
I think mine's between the Summer Ale and the Bach Breaker. I thought it would be the Wise Guy, but it's not. So yeah, I would say between these two.
Shall we enjoy?
Absolutely. Salute. And as always, have a great day.